Tender?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Go.
Oh, that feels so good.
Good. What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Mid stance and toe off, looks symmetrical. A little bit of inversion there on the left side. Not too much head tilt to compensate for that. That's good. Good, and then from here it looks like a high left hip. Keep going, keep walking straight. Swinging there, actually, I don't see any discrepancies. You can stop. Okay, let's see the arches. Not really much of a drop, maybe a mild drop on the left arch. Going to turn around the other way. And then the Achilles tendon here, we definitely have some bowing on the right, so definitely have a pronation on the right. Yeah, but you're wearing the same shoe on both feet, but you only have blisters on the one side, so that means you have mechanical changes in your right foot that you don't have in your left foot. A little bit of pronation and decreased arch there, okay?
I think since the fall happened, I've been trying to like hold onto my hips so that
compensation. Okay, just looking at your spine posturally. So no one ever told you you had any curvatures in your spine?
I was tested for scoliosis when I was a kid, but they didn't say anything. But
Okay.
I feel like my spine is not straight.
You have a slight increase in your thoracic curve here. It's not terrible. But like, can you see, there you go. Like now you're good. But when you do that, I can see the compensation because these muscles here are sticking out way further than these muscles. You have a lot of right-sided activity here. This thoracic lumbar here seems like the most tense. Oh, okay. So when we do a temperature evaluation, the temperature is nice and symmetrically distributed. From left to right, left to right, left to right. Even in this area where it's more tense here, it still feels even, but the moisture really picks up, and then it just becomes very moist here in the low back, right at the bottom. Tension up here in the trapezius muscle. A little bit of trigger point here, elevator scapula.
I've had trigger point injections on this side.
Okay, move your knees apart. Good, back together. Apart. Back together. Almost no movement on the left SI joint. Let's try to adjust the left. Do just the left.
Oh, just the left.
Yep. Center. Left. Yep, it's all over here. Just stop. Okay, now do just the right. Back. Your hamstring sliding up to the glute fold here, here. It's pretty even, if not slightly lower on the right. Looking from the top, and that's actually pretty even too. So, not a whole lot of rotation, but the right hip might be stuck backwards. Good. Right short stays short. That points to the left SI joint. Down into this SI joint here. Discomfort, tension, pain?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
What about the right side? Gentle breathing. Go and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. So let your back sink in. Go gentle. And out.
Oh, good.
Going up a couple segments here. And out. Shoulders relaxed. All right, I want to give that one more little push just to make sure we got it all, okay? Okay, let's do that again. Deep breath in and out. Good, shoulders relaxed. Good. Good. All right, let's try this one here. Go and take a deep breath in. Good, and out.
I'll get that one.
Down to the coccyx. Here is the coccyx segment. Tender? Okay, we're going to come just underneath of this segment here. Okay, go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Good, we're going to bring this down. Shoulders relax. Good.
Oh.
Good. Okay, good. We're breathing. And out. Good. Shoulders.
Oh.
Okay, very good. Lay on your back.
That was a good one.
This most likely. Alright, so let's try this. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. Back to center. Left. Center. Okay, that's good. Now bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Good. Center. Left ear. Good. Like right here. Try to let me do the work, okay? Let me move your head. All you have to do is breathe and then just let your head drop. Just like that. Good. Shoulders relax. Let's go. Good. You're holding on a little bit here.
Maybe I shouldn't cross my arms.
That's okay. Good. That's it right there. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, that feels so good.
Left. Again, just let me do your movement.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Let me move your head. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is breathe. Good. You're sinking in. That was perfect. Good. Let go. Right here at C5 where you had that disc. Good. Let this relax here. Let your head drop. Good.
That was it. That was a good one. Oh.
All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna crack your toes, okay? You gotta relax, kid. Shoulders relax here, good. And we find that by first finding the belly button. Yours is like here. ASI is here. We connect these 2 points. That's where we begin looking. Yours is pretty easy to find. Weird?
Hurt. Tender.
Okay, next is the pyloric sphincter. Okay, good. Things are moving. Go ahead, take another deep breath in. Good, again. Okay, now we're gonna use this towel. Are you okay with the towel like that? All right, your hands are good there. Your hips are held in place by the pins. I'm gonna use the towel to support your neck. All you have to do is keep your teeth together. Good. And just like the other adjustments, I'm following your breath. I'm pulling in that direction here. Good, let's do that again. Deep breath in and out.
Oh. Oh. That's insane. It's an intense adjustment, that's for sure. I feel taller. I feel like I'm standing up taller for sure. Neck feels not as tense. Oh, it's crazy how much better my neck feels.
Yes.
No, because when I was getting chiropractic care, like, they would just adjust my neck, poof, be gone. But it never, ever, not especially not on that side, cracked like that. I think it would just be like a little crack, and that was it. But that was deep.
Good, let the fingers, shoulders. Good. Good.
Oh, wow.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.